Hello. So my next question is, despite homogenizing tendency historically, Indian society has been able to uniquely preserve its cultural diversity and heterogeneity. So even there is a homogenizing tendency, okay, but still there is a diversity and heterogeneity. Heterogeneity. So, what are the reason of that? India is a land of cultural diversity. First of all, there is a cultural diversity. Okay, in India. Okay, so with nine major region, 500 mother tongues, deeply diverse food culture, 3,000 and above jatis. While historically there have been forces that attempted to bring larger India under one culture, India could successfully evade such attempt and it preserved its great heterogeneity till that. Okay, so that is what it's discussing about, like homogenizing forces. What is that? Like invasion by bacteria, Greek, Persian have both outside culture which could have been imposed and spread with help of political power. Political unification under Ashoka and Gupta. So Ashoka and Gupta, political unification in that time. First of all, Bactrians and Greeks were there. Okay, then medieval era, there is Afghan, Turk, and Mongols. These were there. And Islamic culture, forced conversion by Islamic invader of local Hindu and Sikh, political unification under the Sultanate of Mughal. So political unification also. Why they didn't reduce diversity? What is the diversity? First of all, accommodative system. What is that? Accommodative system. Okay, accommodative system means the incoming culture were not intending to replace the local culture, nor he localized wanted the invader or immigrant or king from outside give the culture. Okay, second is syncretism. Syncretism is what? One is the accommodative culture, then syncretism is how the outside and inside culture interrelated, like culture of invader, culture of central king, and culture of region. Okay, so this is, we can discuss about that as syncretism also. Syncretism, all the culture also were there. Regional kingdom, even Krishnadev Rai was there, Telugu poet and cultural artists were there, but still we maintained our cultural diversity with heterogeneity. Okay, homogenizing forces in modern era, we can say modern time, Hindi was expected to become the official language. Then unprecedented political unity under Republic of India under the PM. National party like Congress with nationalizing the effect. These were happening in that time. Okay, so now we can even discuss colonization, introduce a similar socio-political administrative setup, modernization by the westernization during the pre-independent and post-independent, and why they didn't reduce diversity. The question arising, like this diverse phenomenon has been happened, but why reduce diversity? Not happened. Why not reduce the diversity? Okay, so first is traditional with modernity is a feature of Indian society, hence despite modernization tradition continued. Cultural awakening in form of socio-cultural reform, Indian Renaissance, Vivekananda and Saraswati and Bhartihar helped to relook at old culture, raise the consciousness of local culture, unchangeable geographical diversity, cultural federalism even there, sixth schedule, Gorkhaland movement, Dravidian movement, okay, keeping the regional culture fresh and alive. So, but the homogenizing force like Hindi should not be disregarded as opposed blindly. Without letting them to homogenize Indian culture, their ability to forge unity in diversity should be harnessed as we did in three language formula. So that was we even propounded the three language formula at that time.